and I are going to talk about how to balance school and after-school activities. We're kind of planning on balancing out with the tacos too. It's a hard-shell taco with some mango salsa on top. So it's kind of the perfect balance between sweet and saucy. I'm your host, Jordyn, and this week we're going to talk about how to balance school, clubs, sports, and your social life. As always, stay to the end of the video to hear my hint for next week's taco. Alright, so school life balance. It can be kind of difficult if you're in a lot of clubs or activities like me, because I feel like I'm just getting pulled in all these different directions with school and homework and projects and clubs and friends and family and everything, and I just don't have that many arms. I tried to come up with some ways to make school life balance easier, and I did. So I'm going to share those with you guys today. And the first one is stay organized. Staying organized can make things 10 times easier because you'll know when you have to go somewhere and where you gotta go. So you can use a planner. Planners are super helpful. Or you can set a reminder on your phone or other device. It's super helpful for me, especially so I don't show up to swim practice when I'm supposed to be at piano. Another way to balance school and life is know it's okay to say no. So sometimes you feel like you're being pulled in so many directions, right? And you're still carving out time to hang out with your friends and family. But it's okay if you say no to them once in a while, because you need time to recharge and just have a little yourself time. So don't feel guilty and don't think that it's selfish to say no, because you need a little me time too. And the last way is prioritizing what's important to you. And sometimes I think I'm gonna go crazy, and I know that I'm not the only one. So comment down below if you guys get stressed with school life balance too. Comment down below if you guys have any tips on how you balance school and life. So now it's time for this week's hint for next week's taco. It's super easy, so I bet most of you guys will get it. And it's, you eat it in the morning. Comment down below what you think it is. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you never miss another Taco Tuesday, and hit that subscribe button so you never miss another upload. I hope you guys enjoyed this Taco Tuesday. Thank you for hanging out with me. See you next week.